I like going up here. Oh, oh man, I just smacked that tree. It jumped right out at me. Ah, dang it. This thing's dirty. Put up the light so I look good crashing. Whoa. It's pretty quick with the 20-turn motor. Let's see it go by. Steering's off a little bit to the left. Still going to the left. Some dirt. Oh, rode on 2 wheels. Whoa, no! This lens pointing down, so may not be getting the best of view, but at least there's no water on it. I'm gonna have fun cleaning this beauty. This is actually fun. Oh, this one's actually fun. Oh, feels like good stunts here. That hill again. Nope. Oh, that hit hard. All right, guys. Just wanted to show you this beauty. I didn't realize how fun this was. I didn't use it in a long time. Look how dirty she got. Air compressor time when I get home. If it's not pouring, that is. It's all wet right now. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of this little beauty. It's a fun little truck. You don't see too many of them on this chassis, like the lunchbox chassis. It's an awesome one. Looks really nice. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. Hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I appreciate all you guys watching. Leave a comment would be awesome. It only helps me out, and I need all the help I could get. Thanks guys. See you later. Shin RC out.